Hello, my name is Ram Venkatraman. In today's video, we will be talking about different tech stacks that are used to build software applications. And the targeted audience will be project managers, program managers, and delivery managers who are trying to build a new software application or trying to maintain a software application. So, what should a program manager know about the technological landscape of an application? And what would be his or her contribution while choosing the tech stack, right? I mean, mainly it is the responsibility of technical architect working in that application. But while choosing the tech stack, there will be a lot of non-technical consideration that a program manager or the project manager will have to make. And that's the reason why it is better for the project manager, program managers to be aware of tech stack. And what is tech stack? If you just dissect an application, there will be multiple layers that you will land upon, right? I mean, all the application will start with one fundamental layer called the operating system. It can be Windows or Mac OS or Linux. On top of it, you have a web server, and you have a database server as well, and you have client server. I'm talking about a web app, right? And you will have a client server, and there will be a lot of communication mechanism between web server and client server. So different technologies are used to build the different layers, as I just mentioned, starting from operating system to web server, database server, communication layer, and the client server. So all the technologies put together form the tech stack of that particular application. And there are multiple or handful number of famous tech stacks that are existing at this point of time, right? So as soon as I just mentioned tech stack, few of you would remember one famous tech stack that is widely used at this point of time, which is Mean Stack, MEAN. So what does these four-letter MEAN stand for? M stands for MongoDB. It's actually a NoSQL database. It is mainly used for big data project and unstructured schema, which means that you can put data in whatever format that you get. You can put some big document in it or some video clippings in it. You can put whatever format that you want. That is the main purpose of big data projects. Right? So M represent MongoDB database server. The next letter Express JS, that is E for Express JS, which forms that web server, right? That's the next layer that you have web server, and it is mainly for creating lightweight APIs, right? So if you want to build an application with a mobile, you need to have a lightweight components, right? So Express JS can be one among them. And the next letter will be A. I'll probably skip and go to the last letter, which is N. N stands for Node.js, which is actually application program language, which puts everything together. So we checked on M, which is for MongoDB, that's a database layer, and the next one is E, that is Express JS, which is web server, and we checked on application programming, that will be Node.js, and all these layers, all these technologies work from server side, and AngularJS is more of a front end, that is that third letter, MEAN, that is A represent AngularJS. It's a client-side framework, right? Client-side technology, JavaScript framework, and that's sitting on the other side, right? So all those four technologies put together, it forms MEAN stack, which is used to create big data, lightweight applications, which can be moved from web to mobile, vice versa. You can have different combination of these technologies. In the main stack, you can keep MongoDB, Express.js, and Node.js, and instead of AngularJS, which is a client-server framework, you can either bring React.js or Vue.js, Vue.js. So when you bring in React.js, it becomes MERN, that is known stack. When you bring in Vue.js, it becomes a Maven stack, MEVN stack. So they have different advantages. I mean, if you stick on to AngularJS, you can create a single page application. But if you want to bring in multi-page application, React.js will be better. and the different advantages of both Angular and React put together in Vue.js, and that is how Vue.js got created. But AngularJS and React.js are supported by Google and Facebook respectively, where Vue.js does not have any famous companies supporting it. So they all have different advantages if you just look into that. So I just want to quickly touch upon another important stack, which is called the LAMP stack, LAMP. So what does these four letters stand for? L stand for Linux, which is the operating system. A stand for Apache server, which is again a web server. We are talking about Express.js, right? So instead of Express, if you want to have Apache server, you can have it. And LA next one is M, which is again MongoDB, right? LAMP. P is a programming language, which is it can be either Python or Perl or PHP, right? So likewise, there are multiple other stacks that are available in the market. You can actually choose the right one with a different combination, right? And you can create one. And how will you choose what is that tech stack which is suitable for a set of applications? There is no hard and fast rule that one stack is suitable for one type of application. So team member, stakeholders will have to sit together. Both the business as well as technical stakeholders, they'll have to sit together and understand the functionalities of that particular application. If you take a functionality, requirements of an application, there could be, I can broadly classify the requirements into two buckets. One is functional requirement. Number two is a non-functional requirement. So based on these functional, and functional can be like uploading a photo, right? Once my photos are uploaded, we go and sit in a particular gallery. So these can be a functional requirement of a small application, and the non-functional requirement, right? It can be what is the performance of an application, and how soon you need to build that application, and what is the budget you have to build that application, and what is that market availability of those technical stakeholders like developers and architects from whatever technology that you are looking for. So these are the different criteria that you have to choose before you pick up right a stack for your project. You cannot just go with whatever suggested by technical team alone, right? Technical team will probably come and suggest you the latest one so that they will be excited to work in the technology, right? But the latest stack, from my experience, will not be very stable. You may have to probably wait until it becomes very stable, and you shouldn't even go for a costlier one, right? If cheaper one will do the same purpose, why do you want to go for a more sophisticated, more costlier one? So that should be avoided. And I would probably think that you may probably have to check with what is available or popular, what is the popular stack that is available in the market. So that popular stack will be backed up by a big community, right? If you have any technical queries, your team has any technical queries, that can be explained, that can be supported by the technical people, right? And what is your internal bench strength with the technical capability? That is also another point that you may have to think before you choose an ad stack. These are the few things that I just wanted to cover as part of this video. While watching the video that I just recorded, I found a mistake in what I just mentioned. And I'm just wondering if viewers can find it out and do let me know in the comments down. So watch it again and mention in the comments down. Thanks for watching. Bye.